So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhishek and I am documenting my JEE journey. So yeah, I am a JEE 2026 aspirant, IIT JEE 2026 aspirant, and so far my preparation is going as I expected क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा एक I had put a brief plan कि मैंने I have to complete my entire what to say portions by September. Entire syllabus मैंने September, within September I had planned it to complete, and so far it is going well as my concern क्योंकि this was the planner which I made in March. So क्योंकि मेरे 11th like almost wasted ही है, like I have just done the lectures, I have not practiced anything, I have not revised anything, तो मेरे concepts इतने clear नहीं हैं. So that is what I had planned. सो मैंने जो प्लान किया था उसके हिसाब से like in March I had some 11th topics of all the 3 subjects. I had done that. April से मैंने like I had planned to start up with 12th maths and I had planned to revise physics of 11th mechanics part. Along with that I had planned to do electrostatics. Another thing is that I am planning to do self study क्योंकि मेरे like मुझे ना आई एम नॉट फीलिंग गुड विथ एनी टाइप ऑफ ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन कोचिंग because I don't know why. But as far as concerned, since these 2 months, whenever I have studied, I am telling it that whenever I have studied, because I have not studied consistently in these 2 months, क्योंकि बीच में थोड़े दिन के लिए I had went to my village too, so उधर थोड़ा सा बीच में flow कट हो गया. So that's what happened. But so far, how much ever I have learned consistently, on an average, if I say, March month was pretty well, I guess. In March, daily almost I had studied for 5 to 6 hours per day, and mainly they were lectures again. Then in April, I would say up to 15th I have studied for 6 to 7 hours a day. Later from that I had went to village, but in village too I at least did lectures and not let it fully go. And yeah, so that's what happened. Sorry, 1 minute. Sorry, I had went to my village in March 15th, not April 15th. I had went on March 15th. So from that time till April 1st 3rd actually, April 3 I was in village. So उस time पे I didn't much what to say do my studies. Rather I took lectures and solved some questions too when I was free. So ये सब हुआ तभी I would say. And that time in my village my average was again 4.5 to 5 hours per day I studied for that much. The March starting part I had studied to 6 to 7 hours, and after coming back from village I took a lot of time to get used to again to come back to my study. So it was again about 5.5 hours per day. But since the last week, that is April last week, and this week, that is it, today is 4th of March, 4th of May actually, so not many days have spent. So far everything has went smooth. This last week I have started learning very good क्योंकि I am on an average learning about 7 hours a day. Since I have holidays this month, I think I probably will be having another 15 to 20 days of holidays, and I am planning to at least do daily 10 hours of study, because that is bare minimum. And I am feeling a bit guilty because though I am completing, that's not the deal, but I am not practicing so well still now, because I am not so much satisfied with my preparation till, not so much satisfied, the question practice which I am doing, I am not so much satisfied with that. So that is why I have to push my limits, and maybe from next month I will be having this college will be reopening. So yeah, college reopen होने के बाद I have to again maintain the consistency, because जाने और आने में ही बहुत टाइम चला जाता है. Like I'll be leaving home by 8:30. I'm coming back by 5:36 because commuting takes a lot of time here. That's the deal. That's it. Other than that, I have to study. I will make a way. But as of now, yeah. So I am coming back to that point. So I had planned to complete my syllabus by September, end of the September, so that I get good time to do mock tests and revision. And how am I planning that is that I had planned in March, whatever was the pending thing, I completed it. Now in April, the April month, I had planned for completing in maths the starting algebra chapters of class 12th. I had already planned that, and I have completed along with ITF. So yeah, ITF is actually, I would say, rather more to calculus, not than trigonometry or algebra. It is more towards calculus because it's mere functions, isn't it? So matrices, determinants, relations, functions, and ITF I had completed last month. And how am I doing that? By one shots and by old lectures which we have, long lectures on YouTube. They are available. So from that I am doing it. So that's how I am doing it right now by self study. And maths I had completed. Actually I had put the target for relations, function, matrices, determinants. I have completed all three. Other to, like, addition to that, uh, I have also completed ITF. In physics I had planned to do some of the, what to say, mechanics revision, but which I am not satisfied at all in physics because physics is my weakest point again. And I had planned to complete electrostatics, which was not possible at all. Kyuki, it is like I have started now in May, something like that. Kyuki, I had planned for doing one shot, but in one shot, after seeing half of the one shots, I was like, the one shots of the electrostatics are about 8 to 10 hours minimum, whatever you take. And after doing that, I was not so very clear. So later I thought of doing with long lectures. Once I started long lectures, 1.5 hours is a lecture, and have 19 lectures maybe. So now I have completed 10 lectures as of today. So every day I am doing one lecture. Middle 2 or 3 days I it the consistency broke. So that's what is happening with physics. Then in chemistry, I should have started class 12th chemistry, but I have started. It's not that I have not started. Yeah, I have started, but I have spent time in completing the deleted chapters too. So that, I think that's where. But yeah, it will be a use for JEE advanced again, because advanced में वो topics है जैसे states of matter है, then हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है, हाइड्रोजन है, देन स्टीरियो आइसोमेरिज्म, वो अभी तक पता नहीं चला. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू do OC from scratch now, because I have only know about IUPAC, the basic NCERT stuff, and IUPAC and structural isomerism and GOC. I know it very well. That's what, because I am stuck in stereoisomerism, and because of that only hydrocarbons I am not able to grasp up it very fast. But I have seen a one shot of hydrocarbon about G. I not fully understood it, so that's why I am planning to do it from scratch. And now once I start OC, I will be doing it till September. I will give it good time. I am not worried that it will be going on till September, because it will be a good time to give to organic chemistry, because it's very understanding. Firstly, and also side by side I have enrolled to a mentorship program too. So because of that, I had planned for April something to happen. I had put the planner for April, that in April I will be doing S block. I will be doing the 11th part of P block, that is group 13 and 14. Then I will switch on to the normal thing as it goes. Then I will go to 12th standard chemistry. What is the first chapter? Solutions and solid states. I had planned for that. I completed S block. Then I had almost started P block. By that time, I asked my mentor whether I am going good. My mentor too said yeah, but she gave me a suggestion. Since you have time to that, you have holidays now, you better complete IOC first than PC. इनऑर्गेनिक कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तो आई विल गेट टाइम टू रिवाइज, एंड इसीलिए मैंने इनऑर्गेनिक शुरू कर दी. सो जो मैंने 13-14 किया, उसके बाद ही मैंने 16-18 भी कर लिया. सो दैट इज़ द 12th पार्ट ऑफ पी ब्लॉक. सो वो भी मैंने कर लिया. एंड नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स एंड आई एम डूइंग दैट टू. सो अभी तक ये सब चल रहा है मेरा IOC. देन आई एम ऑल्सो डूइंग OC साइड बाय साइड एज आई टोल्ड, आइसोमेरिज्म, because that's what stereoisomerism especially, that's what I am not able to understand so good. In stereoisomerism mainly optical and GI, geometric isomerism. Again conformational is easy. Yeah, so that's what I am actually it's easy, but I am not getting how to solve the question. So that is why I am doing it from scratch, like I am doing some lectures and I am then solving the questions. That is what happening. Then now this May month I have put the planner that in maths, and again in April so that was ITF, right? What did I say? ITF I had completed. Along with that I also started limits and completed limits, then continuity. So I started calculus, so I will be, once I start a subject I will complete that and only go to next part. So I have started calculus, so I will complete calculus, that is I will end with differential equations, then only I will be switching to algebra, because that's the last part actually. So then only I'll be switching again to algebra, but side by side I'll be also revising. So limits, continuity was completed. This month I have planned in maths to only complete differentiability, because and if possible methods of differentiation, because I had not done limits and derivatives of class 11th, thinking that I'll do it now, and that was a good decision which I made. Now I am very fast in maths now. I have almost completed 50%, that is differentiability methods of differentiation in May itself. So I'll be having like what will I be having? I'll be having next, I'll be starting integral calculus actually. I'll be starting integration, then area under curve and differential equations. That's it. 3 lessons. Again this 3 lessons I'll be doing it by July, I think. So I thought I will do only 2 chapters, and I gave more time in completing electrostatics, because electrostatics is a very good chapter which I have to do, and it is very understanding too. I am able to understand now because of the long lectures. It's a good decision which I made, and I am not feeling guilty that I have wasted a time. So that's what I am confessing to myself. Okay, what whoever sees or no, I don't know. So this is what I am doing. So I will be completing the targets for May are, I will be completing electrostatics and capacitors in physics, and in chemistry I will be completing coordination compounds, D and F block, and isomerism, and if possible I will also do alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and the other part, what is that, aromatics. Yeah, because I know them, I'll be just, it's like a revision for me. So this is what I am doing, and along with that I will be doing algebra revision and inorganic revision of 11th, that is chemical bonding mainly. Then what to say, physical chemistry of 11th, some parts, atomic structure and all. I am planning to do that in this month. So these are the revisions, along with mechanics again, because mechanics I don't know why I feel mechanics is very easy actually when I do, but when I solve questions I won't be able to understand how to do the question actually. That is what is happening, but I think I have to practice a lot for mechanics. So that is what I am doing now. Mechanics I'll be doing this month, and again that's what 11th chemistry. Along with this electrostatics I'll also from now itself start solving the questions, because that was a mistake I made. I thought I'll solve the questions after completing one chapter, but after completing one chapter I had become addicted that I should only watch lectures than doing the questions. So that was the mistake I made. I don't want to make that mistake again, so I will also be doing electrostatic questions this month itself. This is what I am doing. This will this will help me to achieve whatever my goal is. So this is merely a journal which I am making. The future me should be what, proud of this me, and so that I can admire whatever the hard work I made. Yeah, मैंने बोला admire the hard work because I want to get into an IIT. I should tell it correctly. I have to get into IIT Bombay, and that is why I am putting so much struggles. Is the struggle worth it? Yes, it is worth it. Though if you don't get into an IIT, which I don't expect for me to do, but if at all it happens, you will learn a lot again. Now, if at all you don't get into an IIT also, so the future Abhishek, when you are seeing this, you should be proud of yourself for doing such struggles. Though I am not doing it right now, but yeah, I am doing it since the last week. I am struggling I am struggling to expand my studying hours to 7 hours. Now as I am achieving 7 hours, I am trying it to do it to 10 hours. So that's what I am doing. Yeah, everything is worth it. Everything is worth it. I am the best. I can do everything. This is for me. Whoever has watched it, please leave a comment or share and like and subscribe. So this will also help me motivate. And again, you can also comment about your preparation, whoever the aspirant you are, whatever. Might be you not might be a student too, but yeah, comment something about yourself. This is a journaling channel where I journal myself, my lifestyle. That is what I do, nothing else. So it's not studying channel exactly, though I have put the name as studying with Abhishek. I might be changing it in future after my JEE completion. Okay, I think I have yapped a lot. So yeah, that's what I am doing now. So I have told my this month targets. Yeah, I can do it and I will be doing it. So whoever has come a long way now, जो जिन्होंने अभी तक ये वीडियो देखा, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस to watch a 17 to not exactly 17 18 minutes long video. So yeah, it takes a lot of patience to do that, and I appreciate that, and thank you a lot for staying with me. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.